viewers, welcome back to my channel. Do you have your mobile phone with you right now? Okay, just wait a minute because I'm going to show you 4 legit ways to earn money receiving SMS on your phone just right now. There are secret websites and apps that are willing to pay you to receive SMS on that your mobile phone that you're holding in your hand. Yes, that one you're holding there. But one thing there is that not everybody is aware of this particular website. It's only a very few people that know about these apps and websites. And I'm here today to expose them to you so that you can start using them and start earning money today, right now, by receiving SMS on those mobile phones. So before we get started, my name is Linus, and in this channel, I make videos that teach you how to make money online without any investment. I try some things out, and when those things work for me, I come to this particular channel to share those things for you to start making money. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Give this video a thumbs up and click the bell notification button so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop a new video, just like the one you're about to watch right now. Also, make sure you share this video to those who may actually be having financial challenges so that they too can actually practice what I'm going to teach you in this video, and they themselves will start making money as well. If you're ready for me to unveil this website to you, please, let's go. The first website and the app that we're going to talk about today is IMGR. Earn extra cash with IMGR while texting your friends and family about your favorite brands. IMGR seems to be one of the easiest texting apps, and you can start earning points that convert to cash with the very first message you send. You can also earn bonuses. To start earning, download the app, invite your friend, and start sending and receiving branded messages. The texts you send may include special deals and discounts that you can take to make money. If you come to IMGR site, this particular app can also be downloaded. If you click on download here, you will definitely get to download it on iTunes or you get it on Google Play. And once you get, you just click on register. And when you sign up on this particular app, you will start making your money. See, IMGR is free and available on iTunes and Google Play. It earns cash and rewards while you chat. If you have your laptop, you can also click on register here and register. If not, you can also use your phone to do the same thing. If it is laptop, if you have register, you fill all the things that are required for you to fill here, and you click on submit so that you can start receiving your text messages. And each of them you respond to, you will start making money. And the second one we're going to talk about here is the one we call Talk Room. Talk Room, people will chat with you. And in Talk Room, you have Talk Room lets people pay before messaging you. Come on to chat, earn, and network. If you go to Google Play, you can download it. If you also go to App Store, you can download it. Then you have in this particular website here, they have your time is valuable, and so is your inbox space. Talk Room helps you prioritize who replied to you while you earn money from answering those messages. Please go quickly, download this app. You can download it on Google Play. You can also download it on Apple Store. Download it, fill the necessary requirements, install it, and start receiving text messages to make money. Connect with anyone on the internet quickly. On Talk Room, people pay before messaging you. This filters all time waster. That is, you are the one to charge. You be the one to set how much that people need to pay before they can chat with you. Talk Room is pretty easy to use. It takes just a few minutes to create a profile, set a price, and start getting paid for your time. If you click learn more about how the app works and the national, and once you click on this learn more, they'll tell you more about this particular website. And if you have any particular issue that you have with them, then you go down here, you have get help, contact. Then you can also go for funds for influencers. Then you can quickly download this on your Android phone or iOS. Please quickly go to this particular app, download it, and begin to make use of it. Then the next one we'll talk about here is MC Money. And MC Money messages, which the company uses to test and improve mobile operations. This MC Money, what they do that once you install it in your phone, they're going to send you a test message. And that test message that's sent to you is going to give you about 0.07 cents. Now, the process of getting this particular app installed in your phone includes get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide. Then, if you come down here, this particular one works on phone because you're going to download the APK on your phone. And when you download the APK on your phone, you're going to proceed to install the APK that you have downloaded from the App Store. Then you register your phone number. Then the first thing you need to do again, once you do this thing, they will send you an SMS. It is that SMS that is going to test run your phone. Then what is MC Money? MC Money is done by letting you send text, letting them send text messages to your phone. You allow us to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help us help mobile operators to work together and not unimportant. Each message you receive adds more money to your MC bank, real money. So this particular MC Money, they will send you a message, and each time you open those messages they send to you, you earn a particular cent, about 0.07 cent. And this is how to earn on MC Money. You download the MC Money app on your Android phone, follow the registration process like we discussed above. Any questions, then you go and read frequently asked questions, verify your phone number, and you are all set. We will send you text message. That text message is the first message they will do to you. And the one important thing about this, if you can own your location, then it will always be easy for them to send you messages all the time. Where we say we will send text SMS to your phone number from time to time. Every received text message adds money to your balance. Cash out anytime after you hit the threshold. Get a bonus for every friend that you refer to the MC Money app. More info, you go to frequently asked questions. That is to say, this particular app will pay you for receiving text messages. Once you receive that text message, open the text message, read it. You can also invite your friends. You're going to get a referral ID, referral code that you will have in MC Money. Then if you want to invite your friend, each friend you messages once in a while, you will earn money for each received text message from us. Then works on Android. MC Money is an Android-only app. This particular app is only for Android because Android allows us to process the results of the SMS text messages we send to your phone. Make sure you use that Android phone to download this APK, install it, register with your phone, and start receiving messages to make money. Then the next one we have here is IQ app. IQ app is an app that gets you paid when you respond to questions and get paid via your proper. Then you're going to receive questions via text or download the app and enable location tracking for easy more questions to answer. Then if you go to App Store or you go to Google Play Store, you're going to download this app. If you download the app, if you download the app, you register. If you're using laptop, you can click on register here so that they'll send a text message to your phone. Then you have your name, the first name, last name, mobile number for text question, because they're going to send you a text question that you must answer. Then email address, your password. Then you click on these notifications here. Then you now click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, they're going to send you the text question for you to download the app in your phone. When you download the app, then you keep on chatting, keep on receiving text message, and once you open the message, you get paid. And the one good thing about this IQ app is that you also get paid when you respond to questions and immediately get paid via your PayPal. It's not about receiving messages. You can also answer questions that they will send to you. Then once they say a particular question to you, you respond. When you respond, you get paid again. So what you have to do is to go and download these apps and make sure that you start making money with them. The first one we have there is IMGR app. The second one is Stockroom. The third one is MC Money. And the last one is IQ our app. Please make sure you go and get this app. Get all of them. Install them in your phone and start making money now. Start making money now. If you have not subscribed to my channel at this particular point, please make sure you subscribe. Share this video to all your family and friends. Share it to all those people who might need money and do not have to invest anything. Let them start making money now. Guys, if you have reached to this particular point and have not subscribed, try to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.